Financial freedom. Imagine a life where your decisions aren't dictated by your bank balance, where financial constraints don't limit your dreams, and where work is a choice, not a necessity. This is the essence of financial freedom, a state of existence that goes beyond mere wealth. It's not just about having money, it's about having control over your life and your future. But how attainable is this state? Is it a realistic goal for the average individual or an elusive dream reserved for a fortunate few? This journey into the world of financial freedom invites us to challenge traditional views of wealth and consider a paradigm shift towards a life unshackled by financial pressures. It's an exploration into whether financial freedom is a tangible reality or a tantalizing myth. Join us as we delve into the depths of what it means to be financially free, unearthing the truths, debunking the myths, and discovering the path to a life of financial autonomy and personal empowerment. Part 1. Defining financial freedom. Financial freedom is a term that encapsulates much more than the accumulation of wealth. It represents a state of autonomy where one's assets generate enough income to surpass their expenses, liberating them from the necessity of working solely for monetary gain. This concept redefines wealth not as a mere collection of monetary and material assets, but as the capability to sustain oneself without the need for continuous labor. It raises the question of its attainability. Is financial freedom a feasible goal for the average person or a privilege reserved for the inherently wealthy? The idea challenges the conventional view of wealth, suggesting a paradigm shift towards valuing freedom from financial constraints over the traditional accumulation of riches. The pursuit of financial freedom invites us to consider whether it's realistically achievable for everyone. It beckons us to explore the essence of this concept, questioning whether it's an exclusive realm for a select few or a reachable dream for those equipped with determination and intelligence. The journey towards financial freedom requires a deep understanding of what it truly means and how it can be attained, starting from any point in life. This exploration necessitates a closer examination of the feasibility of reaching such a state of financial independence and what it truly means to be financially free. Part 2, you. The myth of financial freedom. The allure of financial freedom is often shrouded in misleading narratives, painting it as an easily attainable goal through clever investments or lucky breaks. This oversimplification, reminiscent of the sirens in Greek mythology, masks the reality of the complex and demanding journey towards achieving financial autonomy. The path to financial freedom is misconstrued in popular media as an effortless quest, leading to underestimation of the dedication and long-term strategy required. Many fall prey to the illusion of quick financial success, only to find themselves entrapped in a cycle of pursuing unattainable shortcuts to wealth. This transforms the dream of financial independence into an elusive mirage within the harsh landscape of modern capitalism. Financial freedom is not a sudden windfall or a lottery win. It is a painstaking process involving meticulous planning, responsible financial management, and the prioritization of long-term gains over immediate pleasures. To truly comprehend and achieve financial freedom, one must navigate through these myths and face the realities of money, investment, and personal discipline. Part 3, the reality of achieving it. Despite the challenges, the dismissing financial freedom as an unachievable dream overlooks the numerous real-life examples of individuals who have successfully attained this state. These stories span from self-made entrepreneurs to shrewd investors, all bound by common traits such as a deep understanding of financial mechanics and strategic acumen. Their varied backgrounds demonstrate that financial freedom is not the sole province of the wealthy, but a realistic goal for those committed to the journey. These individuals embarked on their paths with diverse starting points, unified by a dedication to saving, investing, and continual learning. Their journey was marked by trials and learning opportunities, highlighting that persistence is key to overcoming the hurdles along the way. These success stories serve as powerful reminders that financial freedom is attainable for those who are willing to invest time in learning and stay resilient in the face of challenges. Part 4, the path to financial freedom. The journey to financial freedom is a complex and unique voyage for each individual. It begins with the acquisition of financial literacy, understanding the basics of money management, investment, and the power of compound interest. Applying this knowledge is crucial, as it involves living within one's means, saving diligently, and investing in avenues that generate passive income. However, the journey is not solely about saving and investing. It's about making informed decisions, understanding risks, and staying abreast of economic trends. It requires setting clear goals, devising a strategic plan, and maintaining discipline. The path is highly personalized and requires adapting strategies to fit individual financial situations and risk tolerances. This journey is not only a financial one, but also involves emotional resilience, discipline, and a shift in mindset towards long-term financial health. Part 5, the psychological aspect. Achieving financial freedom is as much a psychological journey as a financial one. It involves a shift in mindset from seeking immediate gratification to focusing on long-term well-being. This journey requires strength to resist societal pressures, an understanding of our emotional relationship with money, and the ability to overcome limiting beliefs. The psychological aspect involves developing resilience and patience, as financial freedom is a gradual process. Managing emotions like fear and greed is crucial in making sound financial decisions. This journey also means finding joy in non-material aspects of life, understanding that true wealth encompasses experiences, relationships, and personal freedom. The path to financial freedom involves a holistic approach, balancing a healthy psychological relationship with money and the pursuit of financial goals. By mastering this aspect, one can navigate financial decisions with clarity and purpose, leading to a more fulfilling life, both financially and emotionally. Balancing dream and reality. The concept of financial freedom represents a delicate balance between aspiration and reality. It's not just a financial goal, but a comprehensive life journey that involves financial literacy, strategic planning, emotional resilience, and psychological wellness. The path to financial freedom is unique for each individual, requiring a personalized approach that aligns with one's goals and circumstances. The journey is fraught with challenges and demands a shift in mindset from short-term gratification to long-term financial health. It's about understanding the true value of money and its role in achieving personal fulfillment and freedom. Financial freedom is not an exclusive realm for the wealthy, but an attainable goal for those who are dedicated to understanding and navigating the complexities of personal finance. Ultimately, financial freedom is about finding a harmonious balance between pursuing financial goals and living a fulfilling life. It's a journey that goes beyond accumulating wealth, emphasizing the importance of psychological well-being and personal growth. By recognizing and embracing both the realities and dreams of financial freedom, one can navigate this path with wisdom and achieve a state of financial independence that enriches all aspects of life.